are organizing hand-on learning activity in the field of innovation and STEM education in Libya. The aim of this project is to promote STEM hand-on learning activities in Libyan school through a training course for teachers and science fair that bring together resident, internally disciplined person, IBDs, and migrant children. Teachers and parents are involved as well in an enjoyable and sustainable education contest.
I'm Fathiya Hamid. I'm Fab Lab Libya manager. Nice to meet you in this project, which named by STEM education in Libya. It's a good opportunity to explore a new teaching manner far away from the traditional one. In other words, get engaged into a technology and code world for these teachers in this training.
At the beginning of the workshop, we took a closer look about the STEAM and what is it about and what does STEAM stand for. And after that, we took a deeper look for the Arduino, the concept, the IDE, the platform. And the other workshop, we started to learn about the robotics, how it's made, how we work with it.
And I have been in this Fab Lab STEM course, and I'm here to say that this course was in depth, where we took a new perspective on programming, coding, robotics, and 3D printing, which can be implemented to teach kids and even secondary and high school students. Generally, it was beyond my expectation to what they give and how they organized their tools, and preparation was on point and even beyond my expectation. I advise everybody to take STEM. It definitely teaches you new methods and perspective on teaching.